2, 1, go. Hey guys, it's me, Dillosaurus Rex, with my dad behind the camera, Daddy-saurus.
That's me.
So, today, I made 2 videos this morning, like an hour ago. So don't forget to check out those videos. It's where I explain all my Nerf guns, tell you the names, where they're from. And then I said all my sharks and sea life. So don't forget to check out those 2 videos. Alright, so today we're gonna be, oh my eyes are turning up, sorry folks. Today we're gonna be, so we made a new GoPro and it's on my dad's head right now. So we're gonna try and be playing Nerf war with it on his head. And we're gonna like switch.
Dillosaurus Rex, is it okay if I go to a mirror and show them what I look like?
Yeah.
Okay folks, real quick. We're gonna go over to this mirror so you can see the GoPro helmet that I made. And there it is, you see me? Yep, that's me, and there's Dillosaurus Rex. Hello. Alright, just wanted to show them that though. Okay.
Alright, let's get started.
You want to show us your guns?
Yeah.
Here we go, we're leaving the living room area, passing the kitchen.
This is my den. So which gun do you want? There.
I'll take the big one with the red bullets.
My dad is taking the biggest one we have, the Mega Twin Shock.
Thank you, sir. Got it.
I'm going to be taking the newest one, which is my favorite.
What do you call it?
They call it the Surge Fire. It fires elite bullets, the regular Nerf bullets, not the X-Shot bullets like these ones.
Good.
They fire these ones, not these ones. These are the X-Shot bullets. And these are the regular Nerf bullets.
Mm-hmm.
It shoots one at a time, you cock it like this. And then you fire one at a time.
Nice.
It has a little aim on there, so. Alright, let's get started.
Back to back. Okay.
Alright, back to back. 3, 2, 1,
execute. This is where I hide. So we gotta go down here. We're gonna turn around. And we gotta try and find Dylan. He's gonna try and shoot us too, so we gotta be careful. I'm gonna bring this in a little bit. Oh shoot! Oh no, he's got us in our sights. Fire! Ah. Thank God he missed. You see him over there, folks? He missed. I'm gonna try. You missed us again and again.
Yeah, you got me.
I got you?
Yeah.
I got him, folks. He missed us twice. We missed him twice, and on the 3rd time we got him. I think you were aiming a little too high though, because I heard it hitting the wall above me. Alright folks, so this is where we pick up the bullets.
This is what we like to call collection.
Collection, and then we'll start again. And pausing.